Your garden hose is a tangled mess. You're fighting kinks every single time you water, and manually winding up 100 feet of rubber after every use. It's absolutely killing your patience. Today, we're fixing that problem for good. I'm breaking down the top 5 best retractable auto-wind garden hose reels you can grab on Amazon right now. All the links are down in the description box. Let's dive in. Coming in at number 5, we've got the iLead Retractable Garden Hose Reel, and honestly, this budget warrior absolutely crushes it where it counts. You're getting a complete 100-foot auto-wind system that performs like units costing way more. The automatic rewind mechanism is shockingly smooth for this price point. One gentle tug, and the entire 100 feet retracts in about 15 seconds flat. That layering system keeps everything nice and neat inside, without those crazy, frustrating tangles that absolutely ruin cheaper reels. What really blew me away during my research was the multi-angle performance. This reel works like a charm whether you're pulling at 45 degrees or straight out. The 180-degree swivel bracket gives you total yard coverage, and that 9-function spray nozzle handles everything from delicate flowers to blasting mud off your driveway. Here's the real deal though. Some folks report the mounting hardware could be a bit more heavy-duty. If you're installing on brick or concrete, grab some beefier anchors separately. The included screws work just fine for wood, but masonry needs stronger support. But here's why this makes sense. You're spending roughly 40% less than premium brands while getting maybe 80 to 85% of that same performance. For homeowners who water regularly but don't need commercial-grade toughness, this is absolutely the sweet spot, guys. At number 4, we're looking at the Anio 100-foot retractable hose reel, the ultimate bang-for-your-buck option that legitimately shocked professional testers with its performance. You're getting serious engineering at a price that honestly seems way too good. The braking mechanism is genuinely impressive, folks. That controlled rewind prevents the violent snapback you get with those cheap spring systems. The automatic layering coils your hose perfectly every single time, and those brass connectors with nickel coating, zero leaks, zero rust issues down the road. Here's where Anio really stands out. Durability cycles. This bad boy is rated for 3,600 complete retractions, which is 20% more than most competitors even claim. That translates to years of daily use before you see any performance drop whatsoever. The 10-pattern spray nozzle gives you serious versatility too. The reality check, though, the plastic housing is a bit thinner than premium models. It works perfectly fine and holds up great to normal use, but if you're in an area with extreme temperature swings or brutal UV exposure, you might see some fading after a couple seasons. But check out this math. You're paying about half what top-tier brands charge. You're getting reliable performance that easily lasts multiple seasons. For the average homeowner watering a medium-sized yard, that cost-to-performance ratio is absolutely unbeatable, man. Number 3 brings us the Aquazilla 100-foot retractable hose reel, and this one earned runner-up status in professional testing for some really good reasons. You're getting a 5/8-inch diameter hose, which means 30% more water flow than those standard half-inch models. That heavy-duty commercial polypropylene construction, it's built different, guys. We're talking serious UV and frost-proof casing that just laughs at weather extremes. The anti-snag system with dual non-snag rollers actively protects your hose from wear and tear during every single retraction cycle. What really caught my attention was the lead-free aluminum fittings. Most competitors use brass with potential lead content. Aquazilla went with healthy aluminum materials, which seriously matters if you're watering edible gardens or you've got kids and pets running around. That 9-pattern nozzle delivers excellent spray control too. Here's what you gotta know though. The retraction requires an extremely gentle tug. Multiple testers mentioned needing a few tries to nail down the exact pull strength. It's not a deal breaker by any means, but expect a brief learning curve those first few uses. But look at this package. You get the reel, the 100-foot hose, a 6-foot leader hose, mounting bracket, hardware, and that quality nozzle. Installation takes about 5 minutes tops. For homeowners wanting premium water flow without jumping to commercial pricing, this hits perfectly. At number 2, we have the Giraffe Tools 130-foot retractable hose reel, the consistent top pick across multiple professional testing sites for excellent reasons. You're getting exceptional reach combined with absolutely bulletproof durability that justifies every single penny. The pressure rating is straight up insane, folks. This hose handles up to 600 psi burst pressure, nearly double what standard hoses can even withstand. That abrasion-resistant hybrid material stays totally flexible in freezing weather and scorching heat. The auto-rewind system operates flawlessly, with zero kinking or tangling reported by thousands of users. What really separates Giraffe Tools is the overall build quality. That 180-degree swivel bracket, reinforced metal, not cheap plastic. The quick-release system makes winter storage super effortless. The 9-pattern spray nozzle survived repeated concrete drops during testing without any damage. Real talk, though, minor quality control issues pop up occasionally. Some users report loose rubber gaskets in the couplings straight out of the box. They're easy to pop back in, but it's kind of annoying for a product at this price point. But the Amazon reviews tell the whole story here. Over 7,400 verified purchases with consistent praise for multi-season durability. Users mention 2 to 3 years of daily use without performance drops whatsoever. For serious gardeners with large properties who need maximum reach and rock-solid reliability, this is the gold standard. And taking the number 1 spot, we have the brand new 2026 Hoselink Evolve Series Retractable Hose Reel. This is the absolute cutting edge of retractable hose technology, guys. This Australian-engineered system literally redefines what these tools can do. The revolutionary precision layering system eliminates every single frustration you've ever experienced with traditional reels. We're talking zero kinks, zero leaks, zero overlapping coils. The improved water flow delivers 22% higher output than previous models. That's genuinely noticeable when you're filling pools or running sprinklers. Here's what makes Evolve truly special, though. It's tested and proven for over 10,000 retraction cycles. That's 25 years of daily watering, people. The UV protection meets ASTM G154 standards, the highest in the entire industry. Key components are user replaceable, so you're not trashing the whole unit when something eventually wears out. The honest consideration here: premium performance demands premium pricing. You're paying roughly double what budget options cost. If you're just watering a small yard occasionally, that investment might feel a bit excessive compared to your actual needs. But here's exactly why it earns the top spot. That comprehensive 5-year warranty backs everything. The Enhanced Comfort 8-pattern sprayer includes frost resistance features. The universal mounting bracket works with any size reel. All right, those are your top 5 retractable auto-wind garden hose reels, absolutely crushing it on Amazon right now. Remember, every product link is sitting right down in the description, ready to go. Pick the one that fits your yard and your budget. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.